The base frame virtual manipulative allows users to manipulate number blocks under different base number systems. The base change button allows you to change the base number that you will be working with. This allows the selection of bases between 2 and 10. The add block button allows you to add blocks to the stage. The combine button allows you to combine blocks. The blocks will only combine when a correct number of blocks are currently selected. The split group button allows you to separate blocks into the next smallest grouping of blocks. The split ones button allows you to separate blocks into ones, breaking the entire block back to its lowest units. The paintbrush button allows you to change the color of the blocks that are currently selected. Hovering over the paintbrush button will reveal additional options. The two-tone button will color the blocks in 2 shades to help show the separation of values within the block. This change is applied to all blocks on the stage. The plane button will color each block in a solid color. This change is applied to all blocks on the stage. The sort to column button will automatically sort all blocks currently on the stage to columns. The open stage button will remove all columns from the stage, allowing an open space to work with blocks of any size. The add column button will add 1 column for the next magnitude or place value. The remove column button will remove 1 column of the highest magnitude or place value. The trash button will remove all currently selected blocks from the stage. And finally, the refresh button will reset the board.